In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pop-up effect in Canva. Start by opening your browser and heading to canva.com and make sure you're logged in so everything saves correctly. On the home page, click Create, then use the search bar to type landscape. From the results, select Poster, Landscape to get a wide canvas that's perfect for this effect. Now let's set up the background element that will drive the pop-up look. Go to Elements, find Shapes, and click See All. Choose the square. With the square selected, change its color by clicking the color icon in the top toolbar, then pick a color from the side panel. Choose something that contrasts nicely with your image so the animation really stands out. Resize the square by dragging the corners and move it into place where you want the pop-up to originate. With the square still selected, click Animate. Choose the wipe animation. Set the direction by clicking the arrow pointing upward so the shape wipes from bottom to top. Adjust the animation speed using the slider. A moderate speed is often ideal because it feels smooth without being too fast to notice. Next, bring in your subject. Click Uploads and choose a picture from your device. With the photo selected, click BG Remover to isolate your subject from the background. This helps the pop-up look clean and professional. Resize the cutout and position it near the square so it appears to emerge from that shape. With the photo selected, click Animate and choose Baseline. Set the direction arrow to the right so the image slides in horizontally. Adjust the animation speed to complement the wipe you set on the square. Matching the energy of both animations helps the effect feel cohesive. Now, sync the two pieces so the timing sells the pop-up. Right-click on the picture and select Show Element Timing. In the timing controls, align the photo start so it begins exactly when the shape's wipe finishes. This handoff is the key. First the square reveals, then the subject pops in. If needed, fine-tune by nudging the start point or adjusting each animation's duration until the transition feels seamless. That's it. You've created a clean pop-up effect using a simple shape wipe followed by a baseline entrance. Use contrasting colors, keep your subject sharp, and aim for smooth, matched timing to make the motion feel intentional and polished.